Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajila Ukonrat ke Sangma ha kajanmi jong kasngi palai ulai kendo ye kinong mi khmat jong ka Khasi Authors Society ha office trai kam ha secretariat bat pintip bakakan huan menteri Kajila Jingmynjur ban ithu ye ka Ktien Khasi bat Garo kumgi Ktien Sorkar ni official languages jong Kajila ya kani karai lashim ha ka jingelang jong ka kanhun menteri kabalalong ha ka khatnriu trek uyayong 8000 apunriu habaya kren berkinong tho khubor hadien ka jingelang u president jong ka KAS u Dr. DRL nonglat ringkat berkidekhot jong ka kanhun ulapan pau ya ka jing sngongu ya ka Sorkar jilla namar bakala pediang ya ka ni ka jingdawa ka balas lembha ula batai bakani ka long ka benta ka bakrau ha ka history jong ka seng na 12 seng ya ka u Dr. nonglat Ula ongru baka society kan nang penklan ya ka jinge khun ban penrung ya ka Ktien Khasi ha kernit ka bapra jong ka riti senchar kari. Ula benrap baka rai jong ka Sorkar jilla kan ai bor shu ya ka jingdawa jong ki sya ka Sorkar pedeng ban ai ka jing ithu upat ba lane ka constitutional recognition ya ka Ktien Khasi.
It's not a complicated matter. This act is a very small, not that long or complicated one. So maybe it's just like kind of upgradation of these two languages from being the associate official languages to the full-fledged official languages. So we welcome the move of the cabinet of the state under your able leadership, sir, and both of your colleagues, the deputy chief ministers, President Pitsong and Ma Snyabhara Dhar. I hope they have also been very instrumental in making this demand of the people come true. So we are very thankful to you, sir, and to both your colleagues, the deputy chief ministers, and also the entire team of the state cabinet. So we hope that the governor will also give his assent as soon as you send the same to him. And the process is such that it has to be ratified by the regular assembly session. So that is the process. We don't have anything to say on that. Be it through a special session or the cabinet meeting, it's acceptable to us because it is proper to do that.
Times we have met, and of course I must put in a word to our Deputy CM who took the initiative to actually bringing all of this together and having a meeting with the Home Department and the Law Department and consulting the constitutional aspects, because when you make a law and we have to see in the holistic, we cannot just do things because we want to do it. It has to be also constitutionally and legally it has to be tenable. So Honorable Deputy CM has put in a lot of effort, and we're happy to announce that the ordinance has been cleared today.
Okay.
And in the next session it will be officially passed, because obviously ordinance has to be cleared ratified in the assembly. And while the ratification is happening, and the reason we wish to do it now is because we want that assembly session to also witness the debates and contributions in Khasi and Garo.
Yes.
So that is what we want. So that when this bill is passed, let it be passed when our members speak in Khasi and Garo. So that's why we said that it will be most appropriate when the new assembly opens up. This is the first thing we should clear, and it should be done with the debate in Khasi and Garo. And that is why we are pushing this. And we thought that the first people who should know about this is all of you, because you are the people behind this, and you are like pioneers, and you are the main people behind it. and we are very happy to share this with you. So
Thank you so
over
much,
to
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. For the future and everything, that is very important. We will remember you for
So much, sir. Wonderful news.
wonderful news.
Thank you so much.
Ka jingwan jong I menta ka sngi kadai ka jingkhot jong o chief minister hi mende menmet hari sha nolamet nyo ya ka shithi na o deputy secretary jong ka chief minister secretary ka bala pentit yang I bau chief minister o Pak banyak kendo yang ini. Lagi siang iklan koi perkat baun kat nok mentah. Namar ngidang penlong iki jingalang pai ba. Lagi jaka ju kisnat per jong ke Khasi Auto Society. Keleng jong ke beri unyo trem. Irayo ya kawan penlong iki jingalang pai ba. Lagi nurut li kisnat. Kita ngila sedang hagisnat nongsan jaga pratring nang tangile sejawai kat waitring jong ni benai kebubuat nang ta kadai sakli riat kat laitring nang ta kat sautring ngiran artli ki jenglang pai ba kawai hapo umsning jong hagisnat nongpo bat kawai pat hamairang ke jenglang bela penlong hagisnat Mairang. Di hakini ki jirang ki beradab namar bagini ka jingdawa jongi ban penlong ya ka Ktien Khasi ke balayo jing itu apo jong ka kernet ke wapra jong ka British India jong ka ri India karang sateng hadu menta ni lashim ya ka rai nadu mensyam senam jong benai me Akapor bagi pentemai yakino kit kam menta ba ngidai ban let chipai ba ban pesu tho ya ka jingdon kam ba ka Ktien Khasi enang kentiu kerdan no shwa ya ka se ka kerdan jongka Ktien Sorkar naga balong tangka Ktien benrap jongka Sorkar lani associate official language Nilawang ba kat ba ngidang budien ya ka jing tawa jongi ban perung apo kredit ka pra se New Delhi ngin kerpat ya ka Sorkar jelan bahkan penong no ya ka Khasi omshu tang ka associate official language rei ka full fledged official language ringkat bat ka English ngim sim persya bandang beteng ya ka English Kumka official language hendrai ni sngodan kam palat bagi Ktien Khasi kadai ke Bandingkong namar belai kadai ke Ktien jongi ke Ktien lajau ti ni la penong nadu kini ki benai ki ba ladap nadu kasnem ko ladap hi bon ki program bangilan chiki school ngilan chiki college ban persutho yagata but how new by March ki snat ki per ki on ka bha bangin leit no sundan siau pai ba ka penlong ki jakayo ki jaka pai ba badai na kata kadau bagi sa penlong ki bakum kini ki program ti hakini ki program ni ki singi baladap ngila yakut ba ka Sorkar kan namdaisyo bandang pensak tengi dekap namar ni senguthu syai kedar bahkan ni kedai bet ke kam jong ka Sorkar jala kam dan kam banyo ya ka Jingmynjur nakanu kanu wai pat ka bor tingim sengudai ba Sorkar kan bu tengi kedai kam kumta ki meetings ki baladap ni lawang ba dai ban penong no ya ka Khasi kum ka Ktien Sorkar hapo jong uyayong mentari snap arajar arpurve kamat mentah yu benai but dan mensisni agi jinggalang hapo musling batha mairang ngilawang bangin pat ui kanu ka dak nakeleng jong ka government bakan le yagini ke jing dawa jungi wadla ngirampu ya kata por ban penslam ban pendep no apo na yo tingiraw balada ngimyo khubor ador kani ke jing bu por jongi lese ha ke jingalang ke bakhadu ke ban salong asora khat pradrek ngin happen bena ya ke weipat ka program lani ka sinjam ka ban jong ka jingya khi jongi ka bakham tinge hang ne hasilong menin janmel menmet ha ke jingsa kala yo ya ka city na deputy secretary jong ka chief minister's secretariat ka ba khot yangi ba chief minister kwa bande kando yangi ti ngim simpoi berkhat ba nakeling government kala nang sedang banle halor kene kam namar kini kislam ki bala men adum syam islam bro ngi kumba kampat daya itu kata tingiwan ngim poi berkhat ba nakeling jong government kala de ya sakmat but agaji lang Chief Minister, agak jingran kat jong armut ki deputy Chief Minister, bak person tensong bat iba senior bahalang dhar, Chief Minister ulai itu ba ngi lawan ra dak ordinance, halor jong ka Meghalaya State Language Act R1000 san, ban penlong no ya ke Ktien Khasi, bat ke Ktien Garo ki official languages lani Ktien Sorkar Wapura. Ti yakini ke Sorkar kan supha se governor nagamtaban menjur but nakring jungi sutu bakata kam dei ke bakla watla haki jing kren jungi jingalang ni ong baka Sorkar kan khot ya ke dorbar ke bakerpang dan rei habang kila syong da kabinet ke jingwan ra da ordinance ro ke longhi ke lenti ke badai tangba ke dei banyo pat ya ke Jingmynjur ha ka dorbar jongka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ke ban sawan ke wei pat ke jing yathu jong Chief Minister ke longba wat ke Ktien ban penenkam haka jinga tai jinga kren gi sim menta jo ki nomi khmat ki nong thawai haka jing dorbar jong ka jalaro en perkre no ban kren da ka Ktien Khasi ti kata lesi kan long ka aka ka ba phla bangni i no haka sin chong dorbar jong ka dorbar thawai ke jala ba ki nomi khmat jong ki kren no da ka Ktien lajong Khasi bat Garo. Ti ka Sorkar kan hap berkreat bon ke but langit kan bag Sorkar kumo Chief Minister una keren unsala kisala banle ye kata. Hagwe dai pat but ki rules lese hadin bala menjur do governor ki department ki badai ban le ye kata kam kian sedang ye kam bat ngilaong bah ke ba kre ye ki rules lani ki kendan kumno ban pentri kam ya kedika an ke batmai ti ka Sorkar ka kam ye ke ban khot yengiro namar ngisuthu ba nakling ngiro ngila ban ye no snyang lam ban ai ji matlam ha ke be dai ban ke ji ban kre ye ki rules
kane ka jingilang ba phi dam mut ban polong ha ka khatrat sora dei wat pindang pelong ni
kajiran ka bangila punbet ngin ya sikman namar ba kamba kalam menta hi ka kabinet lawan ra ek ordinance kandang hapha si governor ti kabamat bagakam kadang don halanti kampat dai sispa naga sispa but kajing penong ya kajing yalang pai ba kalong arbanta kawai ban pensyai pai ba haki brijongi ya kajing don kam ban penon kam ya Ktien Khasi haki yeng haki snong haki jikatrai kam bat kawai pat ban pen isya ka Sorkar ba ngidon kam ban penong ya Ktien Khasi kom ke Ktien Sorkar dai tang ke Ktien kren jongki nong shong snong tingi dan arbanta kajing pensyai pai ba but kajing yalang hasora kan dong ro kajing yalang ka badan kam ha lese ngala banong ban pen iro hakmat governor lengba kelat patai khobor but lese lengba kino ki jingtep ki ba Sorkar ka lum ba ka Khasi Author Society ka kwa bau governor pun ai ke Jingmynjur kelai kepala kumta ke jinglang asora kalong ke badan kam man penlang kini ke jinga kendo ke jongi minta kalong ke bersultanat nomor belai ba ngi layo ya ke khobor ba ya ke jing dawa jongi hadu ka bor jong ke jela kamut haga awang tinawai haga state level hapo jong ke jela ngi lala ya ke ban pen urlong hagning kenti ya ke ba ki buan se kim sim na poi perkhat bahkan long no menta hendrai kalau ke bapla ba ngila ban penong menta hoi na kele jogi kam dai ke basum ban lek ban penong ikini ki lang pai ba jika fer hendrai ngila ya lek sitam mande kata bat kralong ke basai so bat kini kalong mau mer bat mai jong ke jing job hagi jing trikam jong ke Khasi Author Society nado balaseng yaka but hendrai lakataru ngirang don sawai pat mau mer ba kham don kam badu tau long kata kalong bangi dai ban penyo ya ke Ktien Khasi ka jaka ha ka khrnet bafra jong kariti sunsyar kani ke jing pelong Ktien Sorkar bapura ke jela le se kanyara ban penklan je jing dawa jongi ban penrung ya Ktien Khasi apo ka khrnet ke bapra jong kariti sunsyar kari India